Hey everyone, I'm Justin at Beckley's RVs. Behind me today, I've got the all-new Aliner Evolution. We were the first dealership in the United States to help someone purchase one of these things. It's been out for a couple of months, it's been super popular, and now this is our second one that we have here. We're so excited to show you why everyone is choosing this as their Aliner. So Aliner's been in business for 35 years, which means they've made a lot of mistakes and they've also figured out a lot of things. I think this is a testament on 35 years of experience. I mean, look at this thing. It's the Aliner Evolution. It's got a sweet gray exterior. It's got some gorgeous wheels and tires, and it's got some practical features on here that I just think make sense. Let me show you a couple. So I don't know about you, but anytime I go out for a hike, or if I'm trying to go for a swim, the last thing I want to do is bring my wallet and keys. With the Aliner Evolution, they're just one step ahead. You've got a keyless entry pad to get in and out of your trailer, which means you don't need keys. All you need to do is remember your passcode, and you're good to go. So when you're going camping, you gotta agree, you're gonna be outside most of the time. This has a grill that's removable. You can take it outside and set it right here on this bracket, and it'll plug right down below at this propane quick connect. So you can hang outside and enjoy the weather. So this is the first Aliner that I've ever seen that offers solar already installed on the coach. What does a solar panel mean to you? It means you can go way out in the middle of nowhere. You can live off of the sun and be able to have tons of fun. And just a side note, don't forget to close your vent cover when you fold the thing down. So I know a lot of you are thinking, can I even tow this trailer behind me? Okay, it weighs 2,457 pounds as it sets. And it's just a little over 18 foot in length. So for some of you, you might be able to fit this inside of a garage. Now I'm sure a lot of you want to see, what does this look like when it's all folded up? We're getting ready to show you now. Nice. Whoa, okay. All right, this is nice. I mean, I know it looked really cool outside, but I didn't really know what to expect on the inside. This is absolutely beautiful. Feels like your normal Aliner. Like, I love the tall ceiling heights, but it's got like this weird kind of poshness to it. In other words, like that upholstery looks way nicer than a typical Aliner. These countertops look good. And then, oh my gosh, look at the floors. It's like some sort of like kind of rubber matted floor. This is cool. So I'm initially greeted here, you can see you've got a cooktop, 2 burners, looks like you've got a sink here. I love the fact that you can easily fold these covers down to provide you with some additional counter space here. Now it's got a duct that's back in behind here, and I didn't really know what that was initially, but this thing has ducted air conditioning and it also has ducted furnace. By the way, that AC has a heat pump to it. So directly underneath of the countertops, you're gonna see you've got a refrigerator. This thing either runs on propane or electricity. So wherever the road may take you, you've got maximum flexibility to ensure all of your items stay cool. Now down over here to the left, this is personally something I absolutely love. So you got some storage, okay? You all know that storage is one of the most important things when it comes time to actually owning a trailer. But here's the little thing I love most. See these guys right here? That's just a swing latch to ensure that these doors don't go swinging open while you're cruising down that unbeaten path. I just absolutely love that feature. So I don't know about you, but anytime we go camping, it's inevitable. At least one day, we're gonna have some inclement weather. It is so nice that I have an actual comfortable spot here to be able to hang out. I mean, I've got a couch that I can easily relax on, catch up on my favorite movies, or read my favorite book. Now tonight, when it's time for us to go to bed, this converts into a full-size bed. So at the front of the Aliner, you're gonna see you have a massive booth-style dinette. You could easily seat 4 people here, or you may even be able to squeeze 6 people inside here. Now this isn't the only function. Keep in mind, when you're camping, it's not just about you, it's not just about the other partner, it's about all your family and friends that you can bring with you. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to bring all of them and everybody can stay in one trailer and not outside in the tent? Well, let me show you something. But wait, there's one more thing we gotta show you. If you've been in an A-liner, you know what these are for. So we saved the best thing for last. You see it, I'm standing inside of a shower. This is one of the few A-liners that has a shower, but it's the only A-liner that doesn't take away space for that shower. Now, if you're worried, well, where's all that hot, steamy water gonna go? Open up all the windows on the inside of your trailer, open up that vent up top, and you can suck all the steam right out. So we know you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.